YouTube. I am long due for an update. So the car has been tuned now. I drove it around for about 3 months. Everything running good. I do need to get some more fine tuning because I can force it to stall if I try hard enough by like cutting the wheel, or when it's, especially when it's hot here in Vegas, that it gets a little bit off or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some coolers to this, keep it cool here in Vegas. I'm gonna be also uploading some stuff about my Infiniti Q60 and the performance stuff I had done to that as well. But running smooth. You will hear that I think the guy that did work on my car, he actually raised the RPMs to keep it from stalling. So you can see the lope isn't there nearly as much as it used to be, but it's also not nearly as loud. I have 2 high flow cats and 2 18-inch resonators, and it's still pretty loud. Have these custom headlights made, quad projectors. Same thing. I should give you a peek of those, because there's actually the one-piece halos instead of like the multiple rings. So I'll show you what that looked like. Real nice look. Can't even really hear the cam anymore because of the tune or whatever. It's a little bit, the RPMs a little, they're kind of up. But they're gonna do some more tuning on it once I bring it back to them. Haven't really had time, and it can barely catch up. It's crazy how somebody tune your car, but then when you try to go back for the fine tune, you can barely get in touch with them because they so busy. You already know how they go. They already got your money, so SOL on that. But yeah, the car needs a whole lot of body work and paint. But once we get that done, should be good to go. But yeah, so got a nice little spectator. Get on my nerves. Hey, stop staring at me. I know I'm talking to my phone. But yeah. I would give you a rev, but I think I'm still gonna do it for you, but this right here, they always go bad. Remanufacturing always go bad. So I'm looking and gotta get me a brand new one because I'm tired of this squealing. And it's nice because it still works,